All right. When you watch this video, at this point, you should have the GitHub project on GitHub, of course. You should have pushed also your first commit. And next step would be to push your existing project into GitHub. And I'll be pushing the extreme rollable project that I have locally into GitHub using the same approach that I did with the README file. I'll simply be changing the directory by copying the project itself and then pasting it in the directory of the GitHub project where I have it locally as well. So once you're ready, simply close the Unity project. Look for the directory where you have stored the local Unity project, copy all the folders and files within the directory, and then simply paste it to the GitHub projects directory. Once you're done copy pasting the directory from the Unity project into the GitHub local cloned project, you should notice if you have git ignore that it has ignored efficiently the folders and files that are mentioned in the git ignore file. So you don't even need to worry about adding the library, the user generated content, or even the engine generated content that is listed in the git ignore. If it's done successfully, you as I mentioned earlier, you're not going to be able to see them within the GitHub desktop change log. And the next step would be to check which branch you're pushing to. So at this point, you can see that I'm pushing to the master branch. So at first, I need to bag these changes, put them in a bag, and then I'll be able to deliver these bags or bag to the remote repository. So all of these changes would need to be committed, all right? And once they're committed, then I can actually push them to the repository, as you'll see what I'm doing basically. Once all the work has been committed and pushed, you can head back to GitHub, the website, and simply refresh the page of the repository, and you should be able to see all the changes that you have done updated right there. And at this point, you can basically share the project with your friends, your group members, or family, or whoever you would like by heading to the settings and then collaborators, and they would be able to clone the project and contribute to it. In the next video, I'll be tackling branching and how we can actually segregate features depending on branches and merge them to the master branch if need be. So thank you for listening and watching, and stay tuned.